Looking for a POS system with next-generation features at a budget-friendly price right here in Sri Lanka? Managing your business has never been this simple. Introducing the CIT Solutions POS, a modern, reliable and easy-to-use system designed for any business. With just a single tap, your order is processed and the bill is printed instantly. Our POS works seamlessly on any device, mobile phones, tablets or computers, giving you complete flexibility. Trusted by many Sri Lankan businesses and fully ready for international use as well. The interface is clean, intuitive and built to make daily operations faster and more efficient. Whether you run a restaurant, cafe, supermarket or retail store, the CIT Solutions POS adapts to your workflow effortlessly. We provide this system at an affordable price, ensuring every business, small or large, can access high-quality technology. With dependable support and continuous updates, we are committed to helping your business grow. CIT Solutions. Intelligent technology,